Hello and welcome to another daily Quaker Parrot video. We got our birds on February 5th, 2021, and we are recording footage every single day and posting videos daily to see the progress we are making with our birds. Any likes and subscriptions are greatly appreciated, and be sure to do so if you want to follow right along with us and see the growth and training and development of our Quaker Parrot.
Hi, baby. Kiss, kiss. Oh, thank you. Kiss, kiss. Hi. Yeah. Hi. Bop. Up, up. Up, up. Up, up. Good job. Come on. Up, up. Up, up. Good job. Oh.
What do you want, Jenny? You talking to the birds? Talking to the birds? Get your ball. Come on. Your pitch. Good girl. Wait, don't mess with Jenny's bone, or even get near it. Jenny crazy. What's up, guys? Yeah, what's up? Hi. Hello. What you doing? Yeah. Come here. Come here. You go up, up. You go up, up. Good job. Good job. Yeah. Good job. Ouch. Hello. Uh-oh, don't be fighting. Hi. You guys yelling at each other? Huh? Hey, you guys get along. No fighting. Yeah, no fighting. Hi. That's loud. Right by my ear. Yeah. What you doing up there? What you doing? Who's that?
Why do you...
Oh! Well, you got off the bed.
Stop. You too? God, I did not expect that.
He's like, how do you do that? Help me up.
Okay.
All right, come on. You jump. You jump. Ready? Come on. Good job.
Yay!
Good boy. Yeah.
Yay!
Come on. You want to come too? Come on. Ready? Jump. Oh, kinda.
Yay! Oh, they all jumped. Come on. Come on.
Jump.
Jump.
Good job.
Don't fight me. Jump.
Come on. Ready? Ready? Come on. Jenny, you scared him. Come on. Ready? Jenny, no.
No, Jenny.
Jenny, stop. Stop. Ready? Come on. Come on. Big jump.
Big jump.
Come on.
Big jump. Yay!
Ooh, good job.
Train them to jump.
Ooh.
Oh!
Thank you for watching. We post videos every day on our Quaker Parrots. They can range from training or just random videos of us hanging out with the birds, or maybe tips and advice for working with your Quaker Parrots, or something that we have came across that may be helpful to others. Thanks again for watching. Like and subscribe if you want to support us, and if you want to follow along with us, see the growth and development of our Quaker Parrots. Thank you.